Hey everyone, welcome back to new series of Python. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to handle missing keys in Python dictionary. So in Python, dictionaries are the containers that map one key to its value. And in many situations that the user doesn't know, all the keys are present in the dictionary. So in such instance, if the user tried to access missing keys, an error will be popped indicating the missing key. So there are different cases where we can just solve this issue. In today's video, we will be discussing about different methods to handle the missing keys in Python dictionary using the key function, using the get function, as well as using the try except block. And there are a few more methods that we can just handle the missing keys in Python dictionary. So you can just refer what are the other ways and give the answers in the comment section. So first, let's define a dictionary. So let's name the variable of the dictionary, or let's name the dictionary as dictionary itself, or you can just name as of your choice. So I'll be providing dictionary, and we know a dictionary is defined with curly braces and it will have key values in it. So let's provide the key. So here A is one of the key and it has got the value 1 and which is separated by comma, and here we can just provide the other key which is B and it has got the value 2. Now we just need to print the values associated with C. So we have already discussed that some of the users may not be knowing that what are the keys present in the dictionary. So they will be checking the other keys that is not included in the dictionary. So in such cases, an error will be pop up. So let's see how the error is raising over there. So you can just provide a print function and let's give this statement like the value associated. Okay, something is missing over here. We have just provided S instead of C, associated with, we just need to get the value in C. So as we don't have a key called C, we will be getting an error over here. And we just need to print the value in C. So you can just use the other print function, or you can just use this itself. I'll be using the other print function. And as we just need to get the value from the dictionary, you can just provide the object name. So the object name is dictionary. So use that variable. Afterwards, you have to use the square bracket in order to fetch the data. And here the key is a string, so you have to put that in double quotes and provide the value. And now let's run the file. So as you just run the file, here you can see that as we don't have a key called C, we have just got an error. So let's see what are the ways in which we can just solve this issue. So we have already talked that we can just solve this issue using the key. So this is one of the basic way to solve the key errors using the if-else condition. So this allows you to check if the key is present or not. So if the key is present, we will get nothing over there, like no error will be popped. And if you're using this if-else condition using this keys, then even if the key is not found over there, we can just print the other statement like the key is not found or key error, like a statement can be printed over there. So let's solve this situation. So for that, let me just comment this print. Here we just need to check whether the key is present in the provided dictionary. So if the key is present, then it will return the value of C, and if it's not present, then it will return a statement like key error or the key doesn't exist. So we just need to check whether the key is present or not. So we are just going to check it using the if-else condition. So if the key is present in dictionary, then it will return the value. So here in is an operator that will check whether C is existed in the provided dictionary. Afterwards, we can just go like print. We just need to get the value in dictionary. We just need to check whether the key is existed or not. So you can just provide the object of object over here. Afterwards, put the bracket, and here you can provide the key. So if this doesn't exist in dictionary, then we have to get an else condition over there. So if it doesn't exist, we just not need to raise an error. Instead of that, we have to get a message over here. So you can just provide the message or statement like key error or the key doesn't exist. So I'll be setting it as key error. Later on, you can just rectify. So here you can see that as C doesn't exist in this dictionary, we have got the other statement like key error. Now let me just provide the key C over here. C has got the value 3. Now let's again run this. And here you can see that as C exists in this dictionary, you will get the value as 3. So if it doesn't exist in this dictionary, then we will get the else condition, that is key error as a statement. So let me remove this, because here we are just dealing with missing keys in Python dictionary. So now let's go with the other way in which Python program to handle the missing keys in dictionary using the get function. So here you can see this is a method which is useful when you have to check for the key, and if the key present, then the value associated with that will be printed, else the other value will be printed over there. So let me first hide everything from here. You can just comment this and go with the second method. So for that, let me first define a dictionary. So you can just name the dictionary name as country, code, and it has got multiple values such as, the one value be India. And let's provide its value as 1099, and the other country is Nepal, and it has got the value as 1050. Okay, let's provide 2 values for this country code, and we just need to search the keys entry, in this dictionary country code. So for that, I'll be using the print function. So let's use the print function, and we just need to get the key from country code. So you can just provide the object. The object is country code. Put a dot in order to fetch the data from country code. So you can just use the get function. As we just need to get the code of India, you can just put it in the double quotes, because the key is a string over here. So I'll be providing the key over here. So if the key doesn't exist over here, we have to return an argument or a statement that not found. So let's separate that by a comma, and again you can just provide the other statement not found. So if it's found, it will print the value of the key, and if it's not found, you will get a statement over here like not found, or it will return an argument that not found. So here we can see India and Nepal are the keys that exist in the dictionary. So let me provide a key which is not exist in our dictionary. So you can find the difference over here. Now let's run the file, and here you can see that as we have the key India over here, it will return the value of India. And as we don't have a key called China, it returns the value not found. Now let's again comment this, and let's go with the other example using the try except block in order to handle the missing keys in Python dictionary. So here again, let's define a dictionary, or you can just consider this dictionary itself. It's better to consider this dictionary. And here we can see we have just defined a dictionary. So let me just go with one more value. Let it be Austria, and it has got the value 4 ones, and well set. Now we just need to try with the go with the try except block if the keys in the dictionaries are missing. Now here you can just provide the try block. So the syntax is try block. Afterwards, you can just provide the print statement. And if it's not found, then you can just use the except um, way to print, which means if the key doesn't present over here, then we have to just print the key not found. So that will be the exceptional case. So I'll be printing this over here like print. So we just need to get the data or the frame country code. So we can provide that over here, as we just need to find the key. Here you can use the square bracket and provide the value. So I'll be providing the value as, key as Nepal. Okay, let's provide it as Nepal. And within that, set, we have provided that. And we also just need to print the value of USA. So here we know USA is not a key that is found in our dictionary. So I'll be using the key as USA. Okay. So if this key doesn't exist in our dictionary, then we have to just go with the except block. So here you can just go with except block, that we just need to raise the key error. So the exception is key error, and the key error is a keyword. And here you can see we are just going to print the key error, like print not found. So here you can just give like not found. So let's run this file, and here you can see something is missing over here. We haven't provided the colon. Okay, that's why, as we haven't provided the proper syntax, we have just got a syntax error over here. So we have completed the colon over here, and you can just run the file, and you can see Nepal is a key which is found in our dictionary, and USA is a key which is not found in a dictionary, or is a key that doesn't exist in our dictionary. And we have got the value for Nepal, and if it doesn't exist, if the key doesn't exist, then that will go with the except block. So that's all with dealing of or handling with the missing keys in Python dictionary. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.